Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Masuma Sultana Toma. Hope you all are doing well. I am also well. Today I would like to talk about time management. Time is one of the most valuable resources in our lives. Once time is lost, it can never be regained. As we know, time and tide wait for none. Therefore, managing our time properly is very crucial. Firstly, time management helps us to complete our task efficiently. If we make an schedule and follow it, we can complete our task on time. Secondly, it makes us confident and responsible, and it allows us to balance our student life, personal life, and work life. People who use their time properly, they are more respected and successful in society. On the other hand, who don't use their time properly, they are often leads procrastination and face unnecessary stress. So managing our time properly is very crucial. There is a quote: if we can't manage our time properly, we can't manage anything else. Also, once William Payne said, what we want most is time, but we use worst. So, in our life, if we want to progress and if we want to success in our life, so managing time is important. In conclusion, I would like to say, utilize your time and keep growing, keep trying. Thank you for the time being. Assalamualaikum everyone.